A combination of leadership, foresight, and determination has catapulted McAllen ISD Superintendent Dr. J.A. Gonzalez to the top spot in Texas. He was one of just 5 state finalists when the winner was announced.
And the winner is Dr. Jose Gonzalez from McAllen ISD.
He is the first winner ever from McAllen ISD.
To the McAllen ISD Board of Trustees, thank you all so very much for believing in me. Thank you all for holding me to a high standard, for holding me accountable, and for all the oversight and direction that you provide myself and the district as we continue to thrive in this environment. Each one of you motivates me in a unique way, and I thank you all for that. I appreciate you all. And finally, I dedicate this award to my father and my mother. I hope that I made you all proud. Thank you.
Dr. Gonzalez, who won the Regional Superintendent of the Year award this summer, oversees a district that is characterized as a district of champions. This includes state-ranked academic and finance programs, nationally ranked high schools, music program, health and PE program, plus more. In March, he led the transformation to address the COVID-19 pandemic's impact on his educational community. Instruction was kept at the forefront while keeping students and staff safe. Not a single day of instruction was missed. Students did not miss out on meals either. In McAllen ISD, teamwork is the secret to success.
And this award would not be possible without the entire McAllen ISD family, from the executive leadership team to the principals and directors and coordinators, everybody, all 3,000 employees. Thank you so much. To our teachers, thank you for grinding and for pushing hard even in this remote environment. And to our wonderful students, thank you for putting us on the map. As educators, we're in the dream business. We're entrepreneurs of the human spirit. I have the utmost respect for all of you.